In this tutorial, we will create this object. Click on New, select Part, OK. Now in this object, at first we will create this horizontal plate of 72 by 145 and 25 thickness. Click on Extrude Boss Base, select Top Plane, and click here and select Center Rectangle. Give the center point, take your cursor away, and click the second point. Give the Smart Dimension, click on this line, give the position for dimension, give the length of 72, enter. Then select this vertical line, give the position, give the length of 145, enter. Click on OK. Then give the height of 25, enter. Click on OK. Zoom fit. Then next is to create this vertical plate of 36 thickness, and the height will be, total height is 90 minus this 25, that is 65 will be the height. Click on Extrude Boss Base, select this surface, then click here and select corner rectangle. Give the first corner point, give the second corner point on this line. Click on Smart Dimension, click on this line, give the position, give the width of 36, enter. Click on OK. Give the height of 65, enter. OK. Zoom fit. The next is to create this cut of 24 width. Here dimension is 50 and location is also 24. Now this is a cut, therefore click on Extruded Cut, select this horizontal surface, then click here and select Normal to. Zoom it. Then create one slot, select this straight slot, then drag the center point, give the first point here at the midpoint, give the second point, take your cursor away and click there. Click on Smart Dimension, select this line, give the location, give the length of 50, enter. Then select this circle, click outside, give the radius of 12. Select this line, click here. Now we have already constrained this sketch to this origin point, therefore this dimension is not needed, and if you want this you can keep it driven. That means it will remain there for reference only. Click on OK. So it will show in gray color. That means it is for reference. Click on OK. Orbit it. And click here and select through all. Click on OK. Click outside. Zoom fit. Click here and select isometric view. Then next will be this rectangular cut. The location of rectangle is 24 from the top line and 30 from the bottom line. Click on Extruded Cut. Select this surface. Then select this corner rectangle. Give the first point on this line. Give the second point on this line. Click on Smart Dimension. Select this line. Take your cursor outside and click there. Give the height of 24. Enter. Then select this line. Take cursor out. Click there. Give the height of 30. Enter. Click on OK. And depth is 12. Click here and give the depth of 12. Enter. OK. Then there is this circular cut of 30 radius and 12 depth. And if you want to give the height of this circle from this bottom line, then it will be 42 plus this 6, that is 48. Click on Extrude Cut, select this surface, then click on Circle, drag the center point, give the center point, then click the point, click on Smart Dimension, select the circle, give the location, give the diameter of 60, enter. Then select this horizontal line, select this point, give the height of 48, enter. Then select this line, select this point, 36 is correct. Press enter. Then click on OK. Give the depth of 12. 12 is already there. Click on OK. Then this hole of 24 diameter at the center of this 30 radius circle. Click on extrude cut. Select this surface. Click on circle. Take your cursor to this circle so that it will show the center point. Click on the center point. Give the second point. Click on smart dimension. Select the circle. Give the diameter of 24. Enter. Click on OK. Click here and select through all. Click on OK. Then this cut of 72 by 6 and 50 depth. Click on extrude cut. Select this surface. Select this 2-point rectangle, corner rectangle. Give the first point. Give the second point. Click on smart dimension. Select this line. Give the length of 72. Enter. Select this line. Give the height of 6. Enter. Click on OK. Give the depth of 50. Enter. Click on OK. Then to give the color to the object, click here, edit appearance and choose the color. Click on OK. That's all. This object is ready. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.